back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate a vanilla Oreo cake. So it's just vanilla layers with vanilla buttercream. I'm going to do white chocolate drip and vanilla Oreos on top and kind of go overboard with the vanilla. I baked up these vanilla cake layers yesterday and I'm just going to show you guys how I decorate. So it'll be like another time-lapse kind of video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday, and you can also head over to my Instagram page at Cara Bakes Cakes and follow me over there if you want to see more up-to-date pictures. Here it is with the vanilla buttercream, the white chocolate drip, and the Oreos on top. It's more of a rustic look. I didn't want to load on the buttercream so you can kind of see through to the layers, but I thought that made it look a little bit nice. So I have this one, and I have another one in the fridge, and I'm gonna go take a few pictures of it. I was gonna put these along the bottom, but I don't have enough, and then when I was holding them up to the cake, I just thought it might make it look like too much. So I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. If you like this style video or if you have any different requests for videos, make sure you comment down below. I read all the comments and respond to all of them. I hope you all have a good day.